What's going on, guys? It's your boy JB, and if you don't know me, we go over tools, tips, and tricks to make money online. And today is the results day of part 3 of the Drell Jones challenge. And guys, I gotta admit, this is tough. Like, doing the free traffic method is really hard. You gotta really master it. If you do, hey, you're set for life. But I could not get any sales whatsoever. I'm gonna show you guys. Zero. Hey, I keep it 100 with you guys. If I didn't get any sales, I didn't get any sales. But I will show you this. I have gotten sales with that offer right here where it says 25.27. What was that, 3-4 weeks ago almost? As you can see right here, numerology. And I'm going to reveal the exact ad copy that I use, as well as the ad spin that I use for it, and also the keywords. I'm giving you everything. That way you guys can use Bing in order to do this and get sales like, ASAP. But again, mad props to Drell. I appreciate you, man, for what you do. But yeah, it is tough doing free traffic. It's like the very first time I've ever really dove deep into free traffic. I mean, I've got like 1 or 2 sales using Quora, but that took a long time too. But I just wanted to use his methods in his course. Doesn't mean it won't work for you at all. I'm not saying that at all. But yeah, it just didn't work within the 7 days that I was doing this, because I wasn't just focusing on one specific free traffic method. I was trying to do 3 at once. I suggest doing 1 and then just digging deep into that and then going for that. But yeah, I couldn't make it in the 7 days. I tried my best. Sorry guys, but I will reveal how I'd have made money in the numerology niche using Bing traffic. So let's go ahead and dive right into it. Let's see, campaign. So these are my ads that I created for it, and see if I can click on this. So go ahead and take a screenshot right now. That way you guys can like run the same exact thing and get sales. But yeah, I really just put a free video numerology report, personality reading 2020, unlock your hidden messages, repeating numbers or universal patterns in hidden messages, and then unlock the messages hidden in your personality code with your free personal video report. So I just did that, of course, having the tracking link URL down below. Did that, and let me go to my keywords so you guys can check these out. And I did a lot of testing with these. So as you can see, like I paused astrology and horoscope on these. So in a nutshell, do not use any, well, even angel numbers too. So just use angel numbers and just use anything with numerology in it. Don't use horoscope and astrology. That didn't really work for me at all. Just focusing on numerology, that keyword right here. Really, that's the one that knocked it out apart, because what I did was I kind of just did it really broad, and I wasn't getting anything. So literally as the same day I paused these astrology and horoscope keywords, I mean, immediately that's when I got sales, when I just started putting my impressions toward numerology. So just a key tip, pro tip on that. But yeah, here are my keywords again. Go ahead and screenshot them if you want, I don't care. And see, it was $25 per day. You could probably, I'd say if you do like even $20 to $15 per day, that first $15, I'm pretty sure you'll probably get a sale using these keywords. So a little food for thought. I hope that helps. And again, your boy failed the challenge. Mad love to you, Drell, and keep doing what you're doing, man. And just to give you a heads up, on the next challenge is going to be pretty epic. What I plan on doing is actually doing a 4-month Amazon FBA 10K per month profit challenge. Let me just show you real quick. So I purchased this product for 10 grand with this is Kevin David's Amazon FBA semi-automation product. So what it is in a nutshell is that he's basically going to create the whole entire your whole entire store for you, all the way from brand, LLC. He's going to give you a consultation for that, picking the product out, sourcing, the freight forwarders, the manufacturers, the listing, the optimization. Only thing this package that he doesn't do is the PPC management, but you can outsource that. He has options for that if you do want that taken care of as well. He has an Emerald package where it's like 25 grand. But I will be doing this next time. I've actually gone through my LLC consultation. I've gotten that set up now, and in the next video you're gonna see me talk about Paydex, but this is like the credit profile for your business. I'll talk about that, and we're gonna be basically just breaking down every week. Let me just show you real quick, like all of these. Week 1 will be brand, 2 will be product selection tools, 3 product selection, 4 product sourcing, shipping products, and so on. And these represent the weeks that I'm doing that. So this will start next week. Just FYI, if you guys are interested in Amazon FBA and making passive income, because with this, like there's PPC management for like 3 months, but other than that, you stop, and then like it's just really just on autopilot. All you have to do is really just keep up with the inventory. Other than that, like there's no optimizing your PPC or nothing like that. It's all organic right on Amazon's platform. So for me, I'm really just tired of doing a whole lot of ads. I'm just burned out from it, to be honest. Of course, again, I told you guys about my whole Facebook thing where I got banned, and then also my Gmail got hacked, and like now I can't even run Gmail ads or YouTube ads, right? So it's a beat down right now for me running ads. So I thought Amazon FBA might be a good way for me to actually start doing or creating some passive income for myself. I mean, of course, I'm like doing pretty good with Bing ads, as you saw before, but other than that, like I'm really trying to focus on just creating passive income streams with that, and also my YouTube channel that you're on right now. So if this interests you, please subscribe to the channel. Again, this is going to be 3 to 4 months long, and the reason why I did this now is because of Black Friday. I really think that Q4 this year is going to be unprecedented. I mean, there's going to be a ton of e-coms sales because of COVID-19. Hopefully it doesn't, I don't get any backlash for COVID-19 as well. That could be anything, you know, it's really sporadic. You just don't know what's going to happen with the current environment the way it is now. But I really think that it's a huge opportunity for anyone and everyone to actually dive deep into it now for e-commerce for Q4. So based on the schedule, I should launch my product by 11/18, so the week before Black Friday. So again, hopefully I get enough sales to where I can actually pay off the 10 grand that I used to invest in this business in December. That's my goal anyway. It's at least get $10,000 profit in December to pay this off, and then after that, it's really just keeping up with my inventory and helping me scale up my business. And also, I really do plan on investing into this Emerald package at the end of 2021, because this one's fully automated. I don't have to do anything except set up my LLC, get that going, and then that way I'll have like 2 different streams or even 3 different streams of income from that. You always want to have stuff going on behind the scenes. That way you have some extra income just in case COVID-19 or something like that happens, or a recession happens. You want to have that backup income for yourself. And again, doesn't have to be this. Just have a side hustle or something going on behind the scenes. But hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you did, give your boy the thumbs up. You know, again, hey, I'm not too scared to try different challenges. If you have any more ideas, if it's Shopify or whatever the case may be, throw down in the comments. I want to know. But yeah, guys, it's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Give your boy the thumbs up and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss the Amazon challenge for 4 months. And I will see you in the next one. Peace.